Hello everybody, this will be a tutorial on using the Fibonacci trend-based tool extension guide and just kind of how to use it and incorporate it into your trading. Again, feel free to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys learned something new from this video. Plus, I'll leave this video into a playlist called Advanced Trading, and I'll continue to add more videos to that playlist, so feel free to check out that playlist and check out the other videos within that playlist, along with my other playlists as well. I think you'll find them very useful. And so the tool we are looking at today is the trend-based fib extension. And so we're just going to click on that. And now for using this tool accurately is that you want to find 3 pivot points or 3 changes in price. And so I'm on the daily level right now of Bitcoin. And just a example is that you can use the line tool to help assist you in drawing out the fib retracement and identifying easily the pivot points or changes in price. But I'm going to use the candlestick, and I'm just going to draw it from the candlestick low to candlestick high and the candlestick low. So really, you're just looking for a trend, really. And this is really just looking for potential resistances in a trend or supports in a trend. So again, I'm just going to measure from the swing low, like so, to the swing high, back down to the swing low, and you'll see the values that pop up. I will double click on these values and just show you guys the values. So feel free to pause the video right now and just kind of jot down these values that I have on my chart. And then feel free to create a template. I just made a simple template called Fib Extension and just saved it for future reference and future use. And these are just kind of my go-to crypto trend-based Fib Extension levels. Now, when using these levels, there's a few things to really look at. First off, each one of these is fair value for being possible resistance in the future and just kind of predicting new all-time highs of a price. And so here you can kind of see we did eventually get a rejection off of the 2-2, and this was at around 64,000 roughly. Again, I encourage you to do more TA and not just use this tool as a means. It'll just make it more accurate and more useful. So what I've noticed now is that whenever price breaks this 1-to-1 level, this is a common take profit that I would recommend, is that whenever price breaks above this 1-to-1 level, we got a little rejection down here, but there's a good chance that price will come up to the 1.618, and it typically ends up being a fast move up. So there are times where this isn't really a good example with Bitcoin, but I've noticed it more with altcoins and trading altcoins. And so you'll get a rejection off of the 1-to-1. Price will just kind of make a minor pullback, and then it'll quickly shoot up to a 1.618. This is especially true during altcoin season. It gets pretty crazy. You'll see literally price move up like 16% in an hour. It's a very fast move up, and most of the time you'll see a quick candle wick up and then a rejection down. But anyways, that is just one rule that I've noticed, and you guys can incorporate that into altcoin trading specifically. And really, these are just resistances to really be looking at. So again, just pull it from a trend continuation. So we can do another example here. I like to use the magnet tool to assist me. So again, we're going to use the trend-based Fib Extension Tool. Going to go from the swing high to a swing low to another swing high, and we can read the continuation values as noted. Now there is a 1-to-1 of 25,000, and a good chance if we don't act as this as strong support that we do come down to this 1.618. Typically that is true on altcoins, but not so much Bitcoin, but just something to keep in mind. So these values are quite useful. And again, you're looking for 3 different pivot points, changes in price. And so we can do another one. I'll turn on my trend-based fib extension, and we can go from the swing low or the swing high, swing low, back to another swing high. And really, you can see this didn't really work out too well. But it typically works well when there was a local bottom and you expect price to kind of continue up in the trend. So I'll go from the swing low, swing high, back down to a local swing low right here. And here you can see the values mapped out like so. And that did get extreme to the 4.236 extension. So you can get a pretty good feel of where price is going to reject in the future. And these work out pretty well, especially the values that I give you guys. Again, feel free to jot these down, pause the video, and just create a template based off of it. So really, that's really all you're looking for. You're looking for 3 major pivot points in the market. This works well on higher time frames, usually daily and up, but I've seen some people use it on the hourly time frame. So really, I'd use it on the higher time frames. And that's pretty much it for the video. Again, feel free to like and subscribe. Plus, I'll be making more advanced trading videos that I'll be adding to the playlist that this video will be added to. So thanks for watching. Bye.